Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Investigation Agency kala Khynra habun dili ke Jaka hakari India kenthop ya ka Jylla Meghalaya hakabede bat ka jingsha thombor hakikam leno u menteri rangba ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma habaya kran bat kinong tho khubor ba kadon ka jing Khynra jong kan NIA ha ka Jylla ula benrap da ka baong ba katkum ka Jingtip ka ba uyo ya ka ni ka jing Khynra dale habun ki Jaka ban lum Jingtip Habaya day bat ka Jingbthei ka badang jashen hanong ba Delhi. Umentri rang ba ula kantat banya thu shu ha ka baya day bat ka ni. Da ka baong ba ka ni ka day halor ka suk ka san jong ka rihi baro ka way. Uloong ba kamlong ka ba day banya kran halor ka ni ka benta bat ban ay Jingtip lut. Uloong ba ka Jylla ka yatray lang bat ka NIA halor ka ni.
Because it is sensitive in nature and is to do with national security. So for us to talk about it in press would be incorrect. That's number one. Number two, all we want to say is that we are here to cooperate with them in every way possible, and we're cooperating to ensure that whatever support and help required will be done. So that's all we want to say. Apart from that, I think it's sensitive in nature in the sense that it's to do with national security, and we are all aware about the kind of incidents that have happened. Therefore, we'll refrain from going into details. But as I said, full cooperation is being given from the state side in whatever way possible to help in this investigation. In one way, compromising with the details, it is wrong because it's to do with national security. So I don't want to go into details.
How safe is Shillong?
No. That's only it's completely different. It's to do with whatever the background check and everything. So we'll just leave it at that. There's nothing to do with any other thing. So I don't think there's any other issue that there was some kind of something happening or something. Nothing like that. It's basically part of the investigation.
Any alert for Meghalaya as a whole?
No. As I said, it's only an investigation. It's part of the investigation. Nothing more. So let the investigation happen.
Out of 5 states that were named where NIA raid took place, Meghalaya is one of them. So is it serious?
Like I said, it's part of the investigation. So let that investigation happen. It's to do with the Delhi blast, and therefore the investigations are on. I don't want to comment on anything beyond that because it's a matter of national security, and I will be compromising that investigation if I were to spell out any more further details about that. But that's all it is. There's nothing to worry. It's part of the investigation process.